guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is DegustaBox. For those of you that don't know, DegustaBox is a monthly food subscription box. And it has lots of yummy food and snacks and all good stuff in it. It is £12.99 a month. I do have a discount code, but I'll put on the screen now, where you can get £5 off, free delivery, and you get a free item. And this month's free item is a KitKat Chunky salted caramel, which I'm super jealous about because they are my favourite. I do a disclaimer every month with DegustaBox. If you are somebody who shops in 10 different supermarkets every week just to get the best deals, you may not like it because there might be something in it. Say there might be some pasta in it that is retailed to like £2.99, but you know it's on offer in Asda at the moment for £1. But then if you do your shop at Tesco normally, you kind of see what I mean. So I tend to do one big shop a week. I really like it because you get to try new things. There's always, generally, lots of gluten-free stuff in, which I really like because my brother's a celiac. But yeah, let's just stop waffling and get in. So I need my little dinosaur tooth. It comes by BPD. You get a text the day before to tell you like that it's coming. And then on the day you will get a text with your hour time slot as to when it's going to be here. So yeah, let's just get in. Okay, every month you get your little menu that tells you all about it, and it tells you all the prices of things. I won't look at that yet. This is a spring and Easter box, and this is what we've got. Right, I'm going to grab my first item, which is a moose juice. This is an extreme energy passion fruit flavour, 0 sugar, aspartame free energy drink. I really like the packaging on that. I won't have this because I don't drink energy drinks, but Ben really likes it. Ben always does really well out of DegustaBox, so he will definitely drink this. Let's have a look. Where are you on here? This is passion fruit flavour. It's £1.59. Moose juice is your delicious 0 sugar aspartame free energy drink with added BCAAs and B vitamins when you need extra energy and focus without the crash. Get the boost from the moose. Oh, I like that. That's funny. So that's the first item. Next up, we've got some Forest Feast Fair Trade dried mango. I absolutely love dried mango. I'm super excited for that. Never heard of this brand. I usually get my dried mango from the Herbs and Spices man on Norwich Market, but this is awesome. Right, okay, so we've got, there's two things from that in here. What's the other thing? Is it this? Yeah. This is Forest Feast fruit balls, milk, chocolate, mango and coconut, and that £1.29. I'm assuming they're £1.29 each. Award-winning Forest Feast exotic Prida dried mango, sourced solely from the Prida Fair Trade organisation in the Philippines, and enjoy it with a soft bite-sized balls of exotic dried mango blended with tropical coconut and covered in creamy chocolate. A little bit of indulgence. You should receive both products in your box, and they are available at Waitrose, Tesco and Ocado. So I'm not going to open them because I've seen some chocolate and I'm not going to lie, I want to eat that. So next up, we've got Chum Fruit Bites. The kids absolutely love stuff like this. I think, is there two? Yeah, there's two in here. So we've got strawberry bites and apple bites. Cute packaging, the girls will like those. And these are 79p each. 100% wild, no fake stuff, 100% fruit, vegan, high in fibre, kosher and gluten-free. Nothing artificial, no preservatives, no concentrates. All the goodness of real fruit slowly baked into our magical fruit bites, and we give back 15% of the profits to endangered chums with wildaid.org. And you get both flavours in your box. So these will be really good for the kids. They absolutely love them. Anything like this, they will demolish that. So that's a nice little snack. I'm going to go for this next, if I can open it. Come on. Open. this is a, oh, that bottle feels really nice. A Jubal beer cut with peach. I'm so upset about this because I am pregnant, so I can't drink this. But, oh, this is gluten-free as well, gluten and vegan. That looks really yummy. I bloody love beer. Let's have a look. £1.80, inspired by a dangerously refreshing beer secret we discovered in the Alps. Alpine combines a lively lager with the zest of freshly ripe peaches, naturally infused, gluten-free and vegan, now available nationwide in Sainsbury's. Ben will really like this, or I might save it for my brother when he comes round, but it feels really posh, like the label is textured. I just love beer and I love peaches. I'm gutted about that. After the baby's born, I can have one. Okay, we've got some coffee. This is Costa coffee. And this is a Mocha Italian signature blend, smooth and nutty with notes of caramel, brown for cafetiere or filter. So this is £3.70. And this is, we've been serving legendary signature blend since 1971. Now you can enjoy the home of great coffee in your home. Try Costa's medium strength signature blend and ground coffee for cafetiere and filter. So that is nice to have. I do have cafetiere coffee every now and then, and Ben's parents love it as well, so it's nice to have in the house. I'm gonna give it a smell actually and see what it smells like. If I can open it. Can I open it? Yeah, it smells quite nice. Yeah. Oh, I used to work in a coffee shop. I love the smell, not Costa. I love the smell of coffee. What are you? What are you? Village Cacao, pure 100% gold. What is this? This looks fancy pants. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, it's Willie's Cacao. Single estate chocolate. Close your eyes and let the chocolate melt. For a few minutes of pure pleasure, enjoy the long forgotten flavours of the single estate cacaos. To preserve the beautiful flavours, we only use natural ingredients. There's 4 flavours. There's pure 100% gold, milk and stars, passion fruit, and then I can't read the other one. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a little look. Love the packaging. What does it say? As the chocolate melts, your sensuous journey of pure cacao begins. Ooh, fancy pants. If I can get in it. Oh, I'm just eating the packet. I'll just use some big scissors. Oh, it smells really fruity. Oh, look at that. That's like a beautiful thing. It smells really good. That is so dark. Oh my goodness. That's really good. But that is so dark. I love dark chocolate. But I could not eat a lot of that. That's really nice. But that is the darkest chocolate I've ever had. Ever. Oh my goodness. It's got like, it tastes really expensive and it's got like a smokiness to it. It's really weird, but nice. I'm excited for that. That'll last ages in my fridge. Next up, red super stews, hot black-eyed beans and tomato. I bloody love black beans. I've never heard of this before. It looks like a pot noodle. What does it say? You should receive one of 2 flavours. Inspired by African and remixed by London, red super stews were developed in partnership with celebrated chef Zoe, whose name I can't pronounce, from Zoe's Ghana Kitchen, a pop-up in Brixton. Our delicious stews are made with natural plant-based ingredients. Think okra, lentils, red beans and sweet potato, to name a few. So what else is in this? Black-eyed beans. Oh, it's black-eyed beans. I didn't read that. Tomatoes. Oh, that sounds really good. I'm excited to try that. Vegan, source of protein, gluten-free and free from preservatives. 253 calories per pot. And that is, they cost £2.99, which I would never in a million years pay for one pot of food. Okay, next up we've got a Weetabix on the go, and this is a strawberry drink. I feel like we might have had one of these before. I've definitely had one of these before, but I don't know if I got it from DegustaBox, but I've definitely had one. And that says £1.49, which again I would not pay. Add a fruity twist to your smooth start with a refreshing bottle of Weetabix on the go strawberry. A delicious breakfast drink squeezes loads of energy from iron, fibre and protein into a convenient grab and go bottle. Take hold of your morning and have a proper breakfast bottle. Ben will have that. And this has got same sugar as a glass of milk, which is good. I wouldn't have this. I wouldn't drink it because I don't like strawberries, but Ben will definitely have that for his van. I've got a little tiny jar, and this is Ballymaloe Original Relish. It says this is a gift. Ballymaloe Original Relish is rich in tomatoes, deliciously versatile. It's excellent with beef burgers, french fries, cold meats, cheese, sausage rolls and salad. It's wonderful in sandwiches, served with light meals, picnics or barbecues. It's gluten free and it's suitable for vegans. It's a cute little pot of relish. And then I've got a Kind bar, which is dark chocolate, sea salt and nuts, which looks amazing. Look at that. That looks so freaking good. They are £1.35 each, which is ridiculous. There's tasty, there's nutritious, and then there's tasty and nutritious. Kind believe you deserve both. Our bars are just whole nuts bound together with honey. We don't skimp on the good stuff, so you're crafted with 72% nuts. They're gluten-free and naturally high in protein. It does look really good. This is 60% nuts. Gluten-free, dairy-free, high fibre, no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives, ingredients you can see and pronounce. That sounds good. Happy with that. And then lastly, I've got more chocolate. What are you? A smooth dark chocolate truffle shell with a dark truffle centre. Okay. This is green and blacks. And then a smooth dark chocolate shell with milk and hazelnut centre. So it's a praline one. Okay. These just need to get all up in my face. I'm trying the dark one first. These are 89p each, which I would totally pay because I love dark chocolate. Discover a moment of indulgence with greenback truffle and praline bars. Break through the smooth dark chocolate shell to reveal the delicious praline centre. Made with ethically sourced chocolate, no artificial flavours, colours or preservatives. Oh my god, that smells good. Oh my goodness, that is yummy. Oh my god. That's my afternoon snack happening right now. Yeah. That's yummers. I'm happy with that. I'm sad that I'm not going to get to drink the beer, but I might have a little sip when Ben has it because it just looks delicious. So that was my DegustaBox for March 2019. If you like these videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.